Smart Scouts.
Welcome to smartscouts.ph Learning Filipino for Beginners Part 2. Last time, we learned the sounds of abacada and a few Filipino words. This time, we will be taking up animals. Remember, there are 20 letters and we were able to learn and practice their sounds in our last video. Let's have a warm-up. Listen and repeat after me. A, ba, ka, da, e, ga, ha, I, la, ma, na, nga, o, pa, ra, sa, ta, u, wa, ya. Wow, you did great! Now, let's have our animals, or in Filipino, we say hayop in singular form and mga hayop in plural form. Mga hayop. Remember, singular is talking about one only. Example, ang kuneho ay isang hayop. A rabbit is an animal. On the other hand, plural is talking about two or more. Example, naglalaro ang mga hayop sa bukid. The animals on the farm are playing. Take in mind the concept of singular and plural. We'll have more examples and sentences in our next videos. Now, let's have animals or mga hayop. Listen and repeat after me. Bear, oso, oso. Rabbit, conejo, conejo. Frog, palaka, palaka. Turtle, pagong, pagong. Bird, ibon, ibon. Deer, usa, usa. Chicken, manok, manok. Chick, sisiw, sisiw. Monkey, unggoy, unggoy. Bat, paniki, paniki. Duck, pato, pato. Duckling, bibe, bibe. Fish, isda, isda. Crocodile, buaya, buaya. Dog, aso, aso. Rat, daga, daga. Snake, ahas, ahas. Pig, baboy, baboy. Lion, leon, leon. Elephant, elepante, elepante. Horse, caballo, caballo. Cat, pusa, pusa. Eel, igat, igat. tiger, tigre, tigre. Cow, baka, baka. Wow, you did a very good job. Mahusay or magaling. Now, here are some learning tips that could help you. First, listen carefully to the intonation in every word and repeat. Secondly, remember to take the lessons one step at a time. Start with a basic word, then make simple word combinations. Lastly, keep in mind that practice makes perfect. You can do it. Or in Filipino, kaya mo yan. So, let's have a review. Bear, oso, rabbit, conejo, frog, palaka, turtle, pagong, bird, ibon, deer, usa, chicken, manok, chick, sisiw, monkey, unggoy, bat, paniki, duck, pato, duckling, bibe, fish, isda, crocodile, buaya, dog, aso, rat, daga, snake, ahas, pig, baboy, lion, leon, elephant, elepante, horse, caballo, cat, pusa, eel, igat, tiger, tigre, cow, baka. Once again, we say, good job, mahusay, and magaling. Thank you for learning with us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our next video and the book links in the description below.